Hi everyone. When good just isn't good enough. If you're watching this, you already know one thing: the Harley-Davidson Street Glide is a legend. But sometimes, legendary simply isn't enough. This is Raven Runner, a street glide taken apart, reimagined, and rebuilt from front to back. A bike bursting with highlights. A machine designed to push beyond good and step confidently into the realm of exceptional. Let's start at the front, where the transformation is impossible to miss. A 3-piece 21-inch GT wheel sets the tone immediately, paired with a brand new front fender designed specifically for the street glide. And the best part? This setup installs cleanly, no additional modifications required. The look is sharp, modern, and aggressive. Finished with 340mm wave brake discs that deliver both visual impact and serious stopping power. Move toward the rear, and you'll find the matching GT wheel, partially hidden behind the panniers, yet still playing a crucial role in completing the bike's balanced and cohesive stance. Even where it's subtle, the design remains intentional. For the first time, our Mini-Floorboards make their debut in the touring family. Inspired by the CVO-SD design, they're now available with newly developed brackets for all other touring models. Compact, sporty, and functional, they offer comfort without compromising the clean, performance-oriented look. Our legendary Torque series has been reworked from the ground up, receiving a fresh, modern update. New lettering. New milling. A design language that feels perfectly at home on the latest, more contemporary Helix models. It's familiar, but sharper, bolder, and more refined than ever before. Feeding the beast is the new Thunderbike air filter, engineered specifically for Euro 5+ engines. A specially designed base plate ensures a perfect fit on the updated intake manifold, while the Big Sucker air filter element from R/EINF guarantees excellent airflow and performance. And yes, this setup is fully approved for all 117 cubic inch Euro 5+ models, but only when paired with Jekyll and Hyde exhaust systems. Performance, compliance, and sound, all in perfect harmony. Step into the cockpit, and you'll immediately notice the Flip-to handlebar. Designed to blend seamlessly with the street glide fairing, it sits slightly higher than the original, creating a relaxed, upright riding position that feels natural from the first mile to the last. Paired with a hydraulic clutch conversion, the cockpit achieves a level of cleanliness that cables simply can't match. Hydraulic lines run flush along the handlebars, keeping everything tidy, minimal, and premium. The new two-tone levers and covers add the final touch, subtle, elegant, and unmistakably high quality. This is what happens when experience meets ambition. When function meets form. This is the Raven Runner, a street glide elevated, refined, and ready to dominate every mile ahead.
lived in the past. I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind? And all the hurt we deal with, I wanna leave my cares behind. And now the time has passed, I see why we are lonely. Ooh, should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. And now the time has passed, I see why we were lonely. Should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. And now the time has passed, I see why we were lonely. Should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me.
Thanks for watching.